All right, so you've taken a photo of a space in and around where you live. And what you're going to do next is you're going to open up a new tab and type in Pixlr. This one, since I've used Pixlr E already, it's just going to automatically take me there. But if you just type in Pixlr, it'll give you the option to use E or a different um, level. And I would just choose Pixlr E. Okay, so once you are in here, you want to create a new image. And I'm going to choose Web 720. And what you want to do is put your name in here. It'll save it as a file with your name so I know whose assignment this is. Linear perspective. So your name and the title of the assignment, and then create. And it takes me to this blank layer. So you can look at layers right here. You can add a new layer, which we're going to do. But this is the interface. These are all the tools right here. And then attributes for the tools are going to be up here. So what I want you to do first is you're going to add a layer. And then it'll give you these options. In this, you want to add an image. So this will pull up your images, your downloads in your Chromebook, off of your Chromebook. And I'm going to click on this right here and open it. And there's my image. So a couple of things, some tools that are going to be handy for you is if you want to crop it, like if you want to cut off, let's say you don't want to draw this part right here. I'm going to take this and drag it over until that's gone. And then I'm going to apply it. And so now that part is gone and I'm only going to be drawing this part. So there's all kinds of other tools over here, but we will get to those when we get to those. But I would like for you to play with those a little bit. But now let's go back into layers and talk about layers. So this is the image layer, and then here's this blank or transparent layer here. I'm going to click and hold and drag this up here. So one finger is pressing it down while another finger is dragging it above. So now this blank layer is above this photo layer. And the reason I'm doing that is because if I draw something, let's say I'm going to take the brush tool and I draw this isn't affecting my photograph. This is on a separate layer. You can see that that's on this layer, and then the photograph is on another layer. If I click on this to change the visibility, make the photograph invisible right now, I can just see what's on this one layer. If I want to see it again, I just click on that. If I want to get or make this invisible, this layer invisible, that goes away and then it comes back. So pretty nifty tool. But I really don't want to have that on my image. So let's see it. Let's undo that. I'm going to go back into my photograph and set the transparency at about 50%. So I want to kind of fade that into the background and go back. Oh, actually I didn't delete that. So where's my eraser tool? There's the eraser tool. And I want to change the size of my eraser to make it bigger. Come on. Let's say it's at 100. And I just want to erase this. So what I'm going to do is go back to my brush tool and then select a different brush that I want. Let's say I'm going to go with a 5 point. But I'll show you how to draw on this here in a minute.